So now let's see how we can work around with the base girl effect inside of HitFilm. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here under effects, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and scroll down and then expand out the warp section, and over here you can see that base girl is an option over here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, then this is the effect that you get right here. This is a girl, as you can see, and you get this little dot right here that allows you to go around and work around with the girl by clicking and dragging it around, as you can see right here. So you can go around and click and drag around the girl right here, just like this. So that is what you have. So over here you can see that you have an option to go around and fold out the corner right here. So you can see that it can be top right or bottom left right here, or bottom right over here as well. So you can go around and click and drag this out and then work around with the base girl as you like right here. So apart from that, you can go around and roll it up right here, just like this. So you get the rolling effect right here while you're curling it out, as you can see, just like this. And you can work around with the real alpha right here, just like this as well, and so forth right here. So this is what you have right here. So you can go around over here and then work around with this. You can disable the mirror if you want more like a paper effect right here, as you can see right here, and you can go around and roll up right here just like this and get the effect you want. And this is what can go around right here and work around with the girl radius as well, and increase and decrease out the girl radius, as you can see, just like this right here. Same goes with the composite shot right over here as well. So let's just go around over here, and then you can work around with base girl effect. So let me just go around and right click and make a composite shot over here, just like this. And over here as well, you can go around under effects, under base girl. You can go around and click and drag this and keep it at right here. And this is what you have, as you can see, the base girl effect. Then what you can do is you can go around and roll up and so forth right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with the base girl effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.